Can we cuddle? What? No. Being a bird sure is hard work. Look what I got you. Do you know how to use it? Duh. Hat. No bunnies allowed. Bunnies. You can come in, the humans aren't around. Bunnies in the living room. Can you solve this puzzle? Too dumb, sorry. I'll give you a treat. Done. Legend has it, a treasure of immeasurable value is hidden within the coconut hut. But it is guarded by a terrible beast. Hiss. Hey dude, look. What's that? It's my parrotlet. I'm comfy. Are you a baby birdie? Big bird. Your tail is blocking my work. Could you please turn around? You look hungry. Don't worry, I got you. What is he doing? He found a pretty rock. He'll use it to impress a female. Animals are strange. Stunning. Work it. Human, I made you confetti. That was my homework. Ungrateful piece of. Stop. Eagle only. Keep out. Tired of the same old food. I think I'll go out to eat. Scritch please. You're all the way over there. Come here. I'm waiting. Bastian's bird in real life. Ah. Scritch please. A pinch for you. A pinch for me. Hey, give me a kiss. Mwah. Spa water. My plan for stealing the chips is risky. Some of us may get timeouts. But the human can't stop a whole flock of us. Who's with me? Yos, that's good Scritch. Why did Scritches stop? No, thanks. Wait, I changed my mind. I will go out with you. Sorry, I've already moved on to this millet. Human is home. It's too quiet. Where is the bird? How can I help you, sir? Give my compliments to the chef. But sir, I haven't brought you your food yet. Sir, you can't eat that. Great big feel. Who are you? Our human lost power. Your humans took us in. Oh, you can borrow my humans as long as you need. What's wrong, Luna? Oh. If I don't eat soon, it's getting dark. If only human would just share her snack. You just ate a whole sweet potato. What is this? Facebook? Do I need to have it install a site blocker? Where's that report on Millard availability? You better have it on my perch by 5. So mad. We mad? What we mad for, meh, don't matter. Hey, how come she gets eggs? She just laid eggs. She needs to get some extra calcium. Well, I'll need eggs too. Because I want them. I'd like to speak to the chef. Sir, I found poop in my food. My favorite. Excellent work. What's that sound? Is she eating chips? No, that's beak grinding. Birds do it when they're comfy. See, look. Hi humans. Or, looks like somebody loves raspberries. Raspberries? That is really good timing. Air traffic control. This is Chicken Copter requesting permission to land. Over. Chicken Copter, you do not have permission to land. I'm gonna do it anyway. Over and out. Please get the new feathers. That hurts. Okay, keep going. It hurts. It hurts. Something all birds do. Dried poop. Maybe Sullivan will eat peanuts if they are mixed in. I'm done. Now it's just peanuts. It's yours. No thanks. It's literally your baby. No children. I have an important place in nature. I spread seeds so plants will grow. But that's my carpet. It's not my fault your carpet won't sustain life. Setting pets down. Dog owner, there you go buddy. Cat owner, be free. Bird owner. How to summon a bird. 1. Make a pentagram of crackers. 2. Sacrifice a keyboard. 3. Speak the incantation. Do you want a treat? I'm here. Checking on the bird at night. What you see? What they see. Hi. This machine will put your mind inside the human. Then their food is ours. Are you in there, blue boy? Yes, it worked. Wait, what are you doing? Blue boy. Ancient parrot in New Zealand was 1 meter tall, study says. Okay, time for bed. Get in the cage. No, you get in the cage. Okay chicken, I'm going to put on this hat. Okay. Don't be afraid. It'll still be me, just wearing a hat. Got it? Okay there. See. Still me. Who the frick are you?